Memila Disabled Tree Nursery.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sister to Joseph. She's paralyzed.
Sister to me. She knows.
But she's my member of Memila Disabled Tree Nursery. So you are welcome.
Thank you.
These trees are for.
Actually, why don't we start? I'll take video while you show us.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself and the nursery. So let's go back to the sign.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say who you are and all that.
Yeah. Welcome to Memila Disabled Tree Nursery. It's Wamba. My name is Idris Lekaria, and I plant trees since I had a road accident. I had an accident and I lost my right hand, and I moved out from the job I've been doing, and I could not do it anymore because I've been lifting heavy things and doing with 2 hands, and I've been a right-hand man. So now I'm no more right hand. So I asked God, how will I get job to earn my living? I don't want to beg. I don't want to be a beggar. And I went through many places after the accident, maybe for 10 years. Without a hand, I'm confused. But one day the light came to me. He showed me at a friend in Marala. He told me, you know how to plant this, and why don't you do this? Because it's a good job for you. Then I started, but when I came back home and I found that I have a good place for nurseries, and I started with Memila Disabled, and it was on January. It was on January 2021. This is just almost a year and a half old nursery. I started with the trees and I had some seeds, and I'm passing many problems, with water, and this is a dry land. So it is like something very different from my community. But I have a dream that I want to see the world is green. I want to see how my land will become like the old days of my grandfathers, because that time the land was with a lot of many trees and wild fruits, and it was the home of the rhino, the home of the wild animals. You see now, this time they have disappeared. The world is like, it is naked. All trees, they have gone, animals, and I'm seeing naked place. So now I want to cover the world with the trees, and mostly with the fruits, that people will have change and they will have a lot of fruits. And that's why I'm planting the seeds here. I have avocado, I have mangoes, I have, you see, this is called mahogany. Mahogany. It's a tree to make timber.
A mahogany tree?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's called mahogany.
And how did you get the mahogany tree?
Mahogany tree.
Where did you get the...
It is an indigenous tree. Nursery. Yeah.
Hello.
How are you?
My name is William.
I'm Lucy.
Nice to meet you, Lucy.
Yeah.
I'm filming Idris.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, fine.
How are you doing?
Safi.
Karibu.
Yeah.
Karibu nyumbani. Karibu nyumbani. Yeah. This is now.
She's my sister.
Sister, your sister.
Oh, she's your sister.
Sister's daughter.
She's my sister's daughter.
I used to
Sister's
communicate with you before.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yes.
So we need on WhatsApp?
Yes.
No,
No, it was
on
with
Messenger.
Augustine when you told him to connect with Zoom.
Yeah. Oh,
So
you were
I
trying
was
to
the
help me then.
one, yeah.
Okay. Well, we just set up. We're going to have a Zoom meeting on Thursday morning. And we've already raised 93,700 shillings.
Wow.
So we're putting in a water system just from that one Zoom meeting. So can you come and visit us? Because now that he's going to know how it works. Do you have a good phone?
Yes.
Okay, so come and see me. I'm at Augustine's.
Yeah, I remember you.
And we
told
can do
me
the same
before.
thing for you. I think
Yeah,
we can
yeah,
make a Zoom
yeah,
meeting
yeah.
and try to bring in money. I think that's the best way.
Yeah.
And I have some friends interested in agriculture.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on.
Yeah.
So this is mahogany.
This mahogany is used to produce brown timber.
Yeah.
For furnishing.
Yeah.
For making decorations, decorated tables, and the timber. These are flowers. These are flowers.
Yeah, marigold.
Yeah.
Nice
Down
smell.
here, you see something different.
Oh, yeah.
This one is called mbashas in Samburu. It's called mbashas. But now this one
You can eat this one, right?
This one you can eat.
You can eat,
And
yeah.
it is a medicine
Yeah.
for stomach.
Mm-hmm.
For stomach, when you have constipation, or when you have constipation, or you have disturbance in the stomach for eating different foods, now you can do it. And also it washes your mouth. It's a little bit bitter, but it is in the morning when there is no sunlight, it is tasting like lemon. It's like lemon.
Maybe I'll take a little taste myself.
The
Yeah.
young one. You have a
young
piece,
one?
A young piece of this one. You see this one? The young one.
Yeah. This-
The young one.
Hold on, let me.
This
yeah,
one.
This one. Okay, let's taste that
you,
one.
You taste the young one. It is medicine. It's called butters.
Okay.
Yeah. For stomach. And also washing your mouth.
It's nice actually.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Let's have a taste. It's
It's
medicine.
nice,
It
very
wash-
nice.
It makes you hungry. It gives you appetite. It has appetite. Medicine. Wow.
We could take a cutting of that. And
Yeah.
It'll grow.
Yeah.
It will grow just
I'll
from a
give
cutting,
I'll
right?
give you one as a present. I'll give
Yeah,
you
yeah.
one.
Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we have to bring it
This
into
is
the
called-
country
This one
secretly.
is called kayapa. Kayapa is used for fencing. It has thorns.
This one is for fencing.
For fencing, and it has thorns. That's you see in places
Thorns.
like Nairobi.
fencing
They
with this
they shave the tree on the fence.
Uh-huh.
This is the tree.
What is this gorgeous? This is so beautiful. What is this
This
one?
is the flower,
Uh-huh.
and it is a desert flower, like desert rose. It has milk, you see.
Yeah.
It has milk, and this gum is it is not good to your skin or when you taste
Okay.
it. It's poisonous. But it produces red flowers when it grows to be old. And it makes good pattern when you make a decoration along the fence or anywhere you want to fence, you can just go on tightening it, and then it holds each other. You see? And
You
this
can
one,
weave it together to
Yeah.
make a beautiful pattern.
yeah, and this
Whoa,
one
whoa,
is
whoa,
called aloe vera.
Yeah, we have this one. I have this one
is
at
aloe
home.
vera, yeah.
That
And
one
this
we
is
know.
pineapple. You
Okay.
see pineapple? I'm trying to grow even pineapple.
Yeah,
You
you-
see how it can work here. You will see later in the garden.
Okay.
We see later in the garden. So I plant these trees. Maybe when the rain falls, there are some people they can come, they buy, then they contribute something little for our group. Then we shall have ugali, or sometimes we buy something little for work. Medicine. We need also insecticides for this. This tree is called evergreen.
Uh-huh.
It never winter in the dry season. It's evergreen, and it produces yellow good flowers, and it's good for making shades. They grow and touch each other on top, and they make one big umbrella.
A big canopy.
Yeah, you can make at the campsite. This one you grow around, and then you make a circle, and then they come later. They hold each other together. Yeah, like a mushroom. Yeah, and this is now those are the flowers, the evergreen.
Oh, you got many of
Yeah,
them.
yeah, many of them.
Wow, this would be
But
really
right in
good.
the rainy season, when the rain comes, I expect many people to come for this. Yeah, and I want to plant many to make all over green. Yeah, and this one is called marbaine. Marbaine is also big tree for shade, and it has timber, and it is medicine. Marbaine, it treats 40 diseases. This one, different diseases, 40 of them. You can use the leaves to wash even your body, and it takes out all the poison of the mosquitoes. And also you can drink. You can boil and drink with the tea. It's medicine. Yeah.
Wonderful.
For malaria. Yeah, and these are the mahogany. And this is jacaranda.
Oh, jacaranda.
Jacaranda.
Yeah, we know that. Blue flower, very
Yeah,
beautiful.
yeah, the blue flower, jacaranda.
So where did you get the plants for the jacaranda?
The seeds,
seedling-
I go for them in the old colony of tree of the British rule. They planted some trees around places.
So you collected the seeds.
So I collect the seeds, and it's hard. I say the seed is like a hidden treasure. You must have to break like a hard nut, then you get many leaves like they are arranged inside. I'll show you later at the nursery.
So how did you prepare the seed?
Yeah,
You broke
prepare
the
seed.
hard
I break
seed.
the hard seed, the cover, then remove the seeds. Then they are airy. They fly. They are like peppers.
Okay.
inside in a wallet, arranged like tender notes in a wallet. So that's why we call it a hidden treasure. Many seeds, and then I plant. There is a special way you plant. It's not just put in the soil; they don't grow. There's a special way we plant, and then they grow. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry. Careful of this.
No problem. No problem.
Clearing the area. Yeah. This is a small garden for my kale
Ah,
to
little
eat,
squirrel.
and
Yeah.
also to eat, waiting for this is
That's a passion?
passion fruit.
Yeah.
I want it to plant here. You see here in the morning you have yellow flowers. They call morning glory, joy bringer, the joy bringer.
This is a yellow morning glory.
Yeah, the blue.
No, it's a blue morning.
Come
Yeah,
and
yeah.
see,
They're
come-
usually
come
blue.
and see.
Yeah, yeah.
These are Loyangalani. They found at the Lake Loyangalani. The tree is only found at Lake Loyangalani, and it's good food for breeding goats. You can plant many of them in the dry season. You feed your goats with the leaves. They are good and helpful. This one is called moringa. Moringa is a tree, a big tree, but people they say it's medicine to wash blood, to wash your blood system, to clean blood. If you touch it, it's soft. Just touch it. Really, you see, it's soft.
Wow.
It's like a spinach.
Yeah.
You even cook it like spinach, like a green vegetable. And then when you eat this medicine to treat your blood, your blood it becomes clean. It washed. And this one is nursery for avocado. I plant them in mass one place because of water. I need water. And later I do the operation, wetting everything. When there's plenty of water, I wet everything. Then I remove them from the roots. All the roots, place them into one can, another can, another can. Like, for example, those ones now, you see.
Over
Yeah.
here.
This one is
Carol.
this one is orange berry.
Orange
It
berry.
is the most nutritious fruit. This one is called orange berry. Yeah, you harvest it after 3 months. It needs a lot of water, and you get ball like fruits, and they're orange. They taste like Fanta. You know Fanta?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
So delicious.
Yeah, delicious.
And this is passion fruits. These are passion fruits.
Wow.
These are now ready to be
You
planted.
said you were suggesting that people plant the passion fruit
Yeah.
at the base of acacia.
Yeah, at the base of acacia. When we plant this, we don't wait for the acacia seeds for the goats to eat only.
No.
It's that the shade of passion fruit will produce much more fruits. Much more fruits. And it gives the passion fruit the shade of the water not to dry.
Yes.
And I have a feeling that the acacia tree got the food for passion fruit. I have that feeling.
They're
That they'll work together, there'll be a
they work
symbiotic.
together, because I've seen some around,
I believe you.
and they all go up and they make something. I just seen many fruits. You have a sacks of it.
You have success.
Yeah,
Sa-
and
the
now
sacks
one
of it,
sack
yeah.
is 15,000 at the market. So
Wow.
now I've planted
So
more than
that's
10 here.
$150.
Yeah, here you come, you see all this is passion fruit. They are young. Yeah, this is bashash.
Yeah.
Bashash, you know the medicine I told you. These are flowers. These are flowers, pink flowers. And these are the mulberry. You know the mulberry? Wow, look at the ripe one.
The strawberry.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
strawberry. Look at it.
Wow, you've got an actual
Wonderful.
strawberry
Now,
here.
this is the only one I got from somewhere, a friend from Marala, the highland. Then now, this one I'm breeding. You see now?
It makes runners.
I got the next runners here.
The runners.
I got the runners. I get them. Then I plant. Then I give to my friends. Like, you see, I want to give you many. I want to make your place there become beautiful.
And we just got water today.
Yeah, just imagine. You'll go and plant today.
Wow. Well, we
Today you-
we get the tank on Thursday, so
Yeah.
we don't quite have it today. But
Slowly,
Wow.
just pass it slowly.
okay.
These are aloe veras.
Yeah, wandering
These
Jew.
are flowers.
Yeah.
And here, these are my nurseries. In here, I put avocado. It's mass avocado here.
Okay, yeah.
All over here, I got something like 15 of them. Here is this one. This one is about 12 of them inside. And also here, we have more than 19 inside. When they grow, I separate them later. This nursery is for this one is for passion fruit, the yellow one, the yellow passion fruit. And this is the black passion fruit. Later I will transplant that. Yeah. And we had some dania. You know dania? It has the aroma for food. This for food.
Cilantro.
Yeah.
Cilantro.
It's la?
Yeah, it's cilantro.
Yeah. For giving.
Cooking.
Yeah, for cooking.
But is it a slightly different one? Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's cilantro.
Yeah. And here,
And the seeds are very nice.
here we have yellow passion fruit also. And that's the black passion. This is the yellow. You see, this is yellow.
The leaf is different.
I planted some just around so that they will grow up. Then we have some all over here fruits.
I'm so happy.
Yeah, welcome. Thank you very much.
We've got skooma
I love happy people.
and spinach.
Yeah. I try all trees. This is now the acacia. You see the acacia?
Yeah.
You see the acacia? Wow, it's already wild. You just touch it, it just stones.
Wow. So you just took this from the acacia seeds?
Yeah, it grows from the goat's manure. These are spinach and these are kale. You see, in the dry season, I put them in the can, then I breed them because we cannot transplant them direct to the sun. So now I grow them here. They grow in the small semi-permanent house. Then after that, I just take around here with the can here, then move it, then dig a good hole, put good manure, then plug this one out. Then I get you see there.
So you cut the bottom and you push it out?
Yeah.
And then you can put it in the sun.
Yeah. Already. Because now the roots are strong. Yeah, these are for timber trees. It's called Pakistonia. Some use is foreign trees. These are foreign trees. They were brought by the German people in 1980s. So now we have some trees here, and they are good like this one now. You see, this is the seeds of this one.
Ah, it's this whole big tree up here.
Yeah, this one.
Wow.
This is the one.
Can you eat those?
Pardon?
Are
Can you
this,
eat them?
No, you cannot.
No.
Just for shade and for wood, firewood. This is now the tree, that one. And this one is pili
yeah,
pepper.
yeah.
This one. And here I got the dates. You know dates?
Yes.
You know how to plant a date? You know how to
No,
plant?
I've never planted a palm.